Hello everybody, my name is Hari. I am 20 years old. This year I like India Life. I am 30 student in Ho Chi Minh City. I have a big family. My parents are 45 years old and are farmer. My sister is 16 years old and is a student, and I am a student at the University of Chatsworth in Ho Chi Minh City. My family is very happy. I love my family. My dream is to become an outdoor energy. I like playing game, watch the TV and playing sport. My team online in the some city. In all free time we often go to coffee shop, and talk to each other.